All right, so we're going to find the surface area of this rectangular prism. So surface area, again, we have to add all the faces. And on a rectangular prism, you have 6 faces, 3 pairs of identical faces. And so it depends on what method you're going to choose. I'm going to go ahead and do my triangle method. I've got 9.4 meters times 3 meters, and then also times 4.1 meters. So I'm going to go ahead and start with 9.4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Carry the 1. 3 times 7 is 27. Plus the 1 is going to be 28. So that one is 28.2 meters squared. And I'll go ahead and write that over here because I know I'm going to have to add that together. Then I'm going to go ahead and go along the bottom. Along the bottom, I've got 4.1 times 3, and that's going to be 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 3 is 12. That's going to be 12.3 meters squared over here. And then on this side, I've got 9.4 times 4.1. 4 times 1 is 4. 1 times 9 is 9. Placeholder 0. 4 times 4 is 16. Carry the 1. 3 times 9 is, or 4 times 9 is 36. Plus the 1 is 37. When I add those together, 2 numbers behind the decimal, I've got 38.54 meters squared. Probably going to move those meters squared over just a little bit because I do like to line up those decimals. So meters squared and meters squared. My empty space I'll fill with zeros before I add. I have 4, and then 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Carry the 0, or carry the 1. 2 plus 8 is 10, plus the 1 is 11, plus 8 is 19. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. So I have 79.04, but remember that's only 3 sides, and I do have 6 sides, so I'm going to go ahead and double that. 4 times 2 is 8, 0 times 2 is 0, 2 times 9 is 18, carry the 1, 7 times 2 is 14, plus the 1 is 15. I had 2 numbers behind the decimal, so my surface area, oops, let me move my screen back over if it'll let me. I don't think it will. My surface area is 158.08 meters squared. All right, here you go. I was able to move my screen back over, but 158.08 meters squared.